Hi, my name is Tamlin Cameron. Most people know me as TC. I've been teaching medical massage now for about 10 years. And about 5 years ago, I started envisioning this class. So it's really exciting for myself and our business Bodywork Education to be presenting you with advanced medical massage. This is a combination from things I learned in kinesiology and physical therapy, all the conditions and all the treatments that we did for low back pain and neck pain in the previous classes all work well, but now and then we come across a lot of complicated conditions that seem to need more focused work. So today I'm really excited to bring into medical massage the importance of the order that muscles should fire in. We can work muscles, we can reduce tension, but if their firing pattern is still incorrect, then their back pain or their neck pain is still going to be present. So in addition to the abdominal work that we're going to do, I'm going to show you what order the muscles should fire in. Therefore, they'll get more prolonged results, and we'll find that our even most complicated sciatic patients, neck pain patients will see long-term results. And of course, that will help you build your business.